Hi all, today's topic is Model 3, multiple server model with infinite capacity queue, MMS, with infinity first in first out for a problem 2. A telephone exchange has a two long distance operator. So it is given in the problem S equal to 2. The telephone company finds that during a peak load, long distance call arrive in a Poisson fashion at an arrival rate of 15 per hour. So it is lambda equal to 15. The length of the service of this call is approximately exponentially distributed with a mean length of 5 minutes. So what is the data given? It is given S equal to 2, it is given in the data, and lambda it is mentioned to be 15 per hour. It is given in the question, and mu it is given in the question to be mean is nothing but exponential distribution. So 1 by mu equal to it is given 5 minutes. So 1 minute 1 hour means it is difficult. So I have to convert both in hour or both in minutes. I have to convert it. I will convert. So 1 by mu equal to 5 minutes. So mu equal to 1 by 5 minutes. So mu fixed I'm having lambda, so I will convert it into minutes. Hour to minutes. Hour to minutes I have to convert it. How can I convert? Means divide by 60. Divide by 60, so it is converted. Okay, so 15 divided by 60, when I do it, it is converted to minutes. So 15 divided by 60 is nothing but 1 by 4 minutes. So lambda also now converted to minutes, mu also converted to minutes. So what is the parameter now? Lambda equal to, so 1 by 4 and mu equal to 1 by 5. So what is the first subdivision? It is asked in the question. What is the probability that a subscriber, use some other color. So what is the probability that subscriber will have to wait for his long distance call during the peak hours of the day? Okay, so waiting we have to calculate it. Before going with the calculation, waiting is nothing but waiting means a probability of subscriber wait means n greater than or equal to 2. So we know the formula for that. So first I will calculate every data. For example, lambda divided by mu, I divide it. So 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 5. So it is nothing but 5 by 4. Same way, lambda divided by S mu when I calculate. So it's 5 by 4 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 when I do it, it's 5 by 8. Yes, this also calculated. Same way, 1 minus lambda divided by mu. Yes, when I calculate 1 minus 5 by 8. So it is nothing but 3 by 8. So all this parameter I can use it for the calculation of the subdivision. So this I will have it like a rough work. So what is the first question? It is asked probability of a subscriber wait. So subscriber wait is nothing but probability of n greater than or equal to subscriber. How many subscriber? 2 subscriber. So greater than or equal to 2 I have to do. So greater than or equal to 2, what is the formula? Lambda divided by mu the whole S into P naught divided by 1 minus S factorial into 1 minus lambda S mu. This is mu. So this is a formula. So first I need to calculate P naught. Remaining data are as it is. So I can substitute. First I will calculate P naught. P naught everyone for a model 3. You can check in my first video of this unit. So in that all the model 1, model 2 and model 3, all the 3 set of models I have given the formula. So it is easy to understand. P naught, it's nothing but summation over 1 by n factorial into lambda divided by mu the whole power n. So n equal to 0 to s minus 1 plus lambda by mu the whole s divided by s factorial into 1 minus lambda s mu. So the whole inverse. Okay. So now I have to substitute all the data. Substitute it. So when I substitute it, so summation over 1 by n. So n lambda by mu. Now I have calculated lambda by mu 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 the whole power n plus, okay, yeah, s minus 1, s is 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Till 1 only summation goes. N equal to 0 and 1 only I have to do a summation for this. Okay, so same way 5 by 4 the whole s is whole square divided by 2 factorial into 1 minus lambda. Lambda by mu s is nothing but 3 by 8, already calculate. So 3 by 8 the whole inverse. Now I have to do this calculation is nothing for 0 and 1. 0 is 0 only, 1 it is 1. So 1, okay, everything, anything power 0 is 1. 0 is 1. So 1 plus, now 1 when I put 1, so it is 5 by 4 plus this calculation. So it is nothing but 25 by 12 the whole inverse. So calculation, do it in a calculator. So when I do it, I am getting 12 by 52. I am getting P naught. I am getting to be 12 by 52. Now substitute in the given question. Now we have to substitute this 12 by 52 in the given question. So probability of n greater than or equal to 2 when I substitute it. So 12 lambda divided by mu, already we have calculated. Lambda divided by mu is 5 by 4 the whole squared into 12 by 52 divided by s factorial is 2 factorial. 1 minus lambda divided by mu s is already 3 by 8. So 3 by 8. So calculate in a calculator, I am getting the answer to be 0.48. So first subdivision completed, it is 0.48. So what is our second subdivision? It is asked in the question means. So what is the question? It is asked. It is asked if the subscriber will wait and are served in turn. What is the expected waiting time? They wait and get a service. So that is the meaning in the queue. Okay, so what is the second question? It is asked expected number of the customer in the queue. It is asked to find. So expected waiting time in the queue only this question is asked. So in the queue is nothing but WQ. So WQ is LQ divided by lambda. First I need to calculate LQ. LQ is nothing but a formula. We have a formula. So it is lambda divided by, okay, mu s minus lambda into probability of n greater than or equal to s. Okay, n greater than or equal to s is nothing but here 2. So lambda divided by mu s minus lambda into probability of n greater than or equal to 2. This we have calculated. Now only we have calculated now 0.48. So now substitute this whole thing in this formula. Don't calculate at all. Directly substitute in the formula. So when I substitute it, WQ is nothing but LQ divided by lambda. Okay. So LQ only I am going to substitute. Already 1 by lambda as it is. So lambda divided by mu s minus lambda. Now probability of n greater than or equal to 2. So lambda get cancelled. Only this I need to substitute. 1 divided by mu s minus lambda is nothing but 2. Mu is s is 2. So mu is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 4 into this already calculated from the result of this. So calculated, it's nothing but 0.48. Okay, 0.48. Do the calculation. So I'm getting, so it is nothing but calculation 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but 8. 8 minus 5, 3. So 20 by 3. So into 0.48. So it's 3 point WQ I'm getting to be 3.2 minutes. Okay. You check in the question whether we have converted into minutes or hours. According to that you have to write. Every problem we have converted in terms of minutes. So our answer is WQ. How much time they wait in the wait and get a service, they leave means it is the meaning in the queue. So WQ is nothing but 3.2 minutes. Thank you.